Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about KASK climbing safety helmets and the accessories that we're manufacturing for it. So this is a KASK climbing safety helmet with an arc shield attached. These arc flash protection shields are designed to fit this particular helmet in 12 and 20 calorie. This is an AMP1 12 HTK. It's a nanoparticle gray shield that allows you to see all the colors of the spectrum with a transparent chin protector that allows you to have downward vision when you're wearing the product. This would be the stowed position, and this would be the deployed position. You can actually read a newspaper looking through this chin protector. So this face shield, as it goes into the stowed position, has a detent, and this allows you to have the shield securely raised and it won't come down unless you want it to. You can lower it by just grabbing and bringing it down, or you can loosen the pivots and then shake your head in the welder's nod, which will then make the shield go down. The reason we made it that way is if you happen to have tools in your hands and you wanted to just lower the shield without raising your hand, it gives you that advantage of being able to do it. So this is a weight compensating bracket. You'll notice that as the shield goes up, it comes back so that I can actually put my finger in the top center of this helmet and balance this shield and helmet on the tip of my finger. That's only possible because the shield has come back over the top of the helmet when it went into the stowed position. So again, this is an AMP1 12 HTK, 12 calorie of arc flash protection. It's also available as an AMP1 20 HTK, which would be for 20 calories of protection. As an additional accessory for this AMP shield, we have a lighting kit. So these lights are available. They snap on right onto the shield. The light adjusts both up and down and in and out. So what I say is just point the light to where you want it to be, let go, and it'll stay there. You can put lights on one side, you can put lights on two sides, and it's just as easy to remove. You just pull it from the inside and the lights are removed from the face shield. Today we're talking about KASK climbing safety helmets, and I'm showing the industrial face shield product line that we are building as an accessory for this helmet. This particular model that I have shown here is the IM22 L6F C5 WCS. This face shield is attached to the weight compensating bracket. It's a cobalt blue shade 5 face shield designed for use in the steel industry, where you're looking at the top of the molten steel in the ladle and you want to rake the slag off before the pour. This face shield will allow you to see that slag because it blocks the sodium line which is emitted by the slag. And it's a shade 5 face shield, so it's meeting all of the requirements of the ANSI standard for ultraviolet light, visible light, and infrared light for that type of an application. We also have other models of face shields. I'm starting here with this IM22 GHC6F WCS. This is a face shield, fits the same bracket, the weight compensating bracket. It has a gold coating on the front that's designed to reflect away heat. So the radiant heat, when it hits the face shield, will be reflected away and you won't feel it coming to your face. This is an IM22 L6F5 WCS. It's a welding face shield, shade 5. It's designed to fit this same bracket. And with this face shield, which is a nanoparticle content, is for gas cutting and welding. This is a general purpose face shield. It's a IM22 L6F WCS. This face shield is a clear polycarbonate face shield, molded to shape and designed to fit onto the weight compensating bracket. This is an IM23 N6F WCS. It's a clear nylon face shield, and it is both high temperature and chemical resistant. It has an integrated chin protector to protect from splash underneath, and it's specifically made for the paper and pulp industry and for protection from smelt. Smelt is at a very high temperature. It's a material that's used in that industry, and it's also very corrosive. So we utilize the nylon face shield because it is very chemical resistant and super high heat resistance. An additional accessory for the KASK helmet is our quick view assembly. The quick view allows you to raise and lower independently a shaded window that's in front of a clear face shield. So the advantage of this is that you're at the furnace, or it's very bright, lots of heat, and you have this quick view down. Now you turn away from the furnace, you raise this up so that you have clear vision when you're not looking at the very bright furnace. Go to turn back, lower it, and you are now back at work. You always kept the face shield down, protecting your face and neck from all other hazards that were in the work area. So this is the quick view assembly just for the KASK helmet. It's model QV22 L5F5 WCSK. That's a shade 5 face shield, nanoparticle polycarbonate face shield on a clear polycarbonate face shield mounted onto the KASK helmet. It still utilizes the same helmet adapters, and it has an independent and adjustable pivot system for the quick view system. Additionally, we have this available as a shade 5 cobalt blue face shield. And again, the cobalt blue highlights the slag that's on the surface of the molten steel, so allowing you to rake that off before you do the pour. So this is a cobalt blue version. It's shade 5. It has all of the same characteristics of a shade 5 face shield for protection against UV light, reduction of the visible light, and the absorption of the infrared light. Quick view on a KASK helmet. For the KASK climbing safety helmet, we provide brackets separately from the face shields. That's because there's so many different models of industrial face shields, we therefore can mix and match for what's necessary for the customer. So this is model WCB CSK. It's the weight compensating bracket assembly designed just for the KASK helmet. These are the helmet adapters, and they have feature the press to release, and they have an adjustable pivot here along with 2 stops. This is the lever lock system so that you can attach the face shields easily. And then we have the face shield is attached to the interior of this bracket. So this is model WCB CSK specifically for the KASK helmet.